Alright guys, so I ordered the Aroma360. And no, this was not sponsored. They did not send it to me. However, I wasn't happy how some of the Pro Pods came. They did leak a little bit. And I also didn't like with the packaging that there was nothing to protect things from rattling around. So now that is the car diffuser, which for me, when you have dogs in the car, it's definitely important to have a nice smelling car. Here is the Pro Pod, and Gus is very excited about the unboxing, mostly because he thinks packages that come to the house are for him. So this has a charging base to where you can actually move the Pro diffuser, and I forget the charge time on it. And these are the two pods that it came with for scents. And it's pretty simple. You just screw them in to the bottom, just like that. And then put it on. And as you can see, that's where it goes on the base to charge. It's currently charging. And there we go. Now it does have a remote, which is nice to where you can adjust things from afar. Now I do like that they have smells that smell like your favorite hotels, especially here in Las Vegas. We have some of the most amazing smells that get pumped out in hotels. And as you can see, it's just a fine little mist. And honestly, it smells delightful.